Good morning and welcome to another lesson, that is the lesson number 2 in module number 2, solid modeling exercises. In this particular lesson we will be learning extrude option by making a example. By using an example we will learn. In extrude we have two options. One is you make a separate sketch and then extrude. Option number 2 is you go to the extrude tool and make the sketch. Then after that we will be learning how to create a datum plane at a distance. Then different depth options, specify depth value, symmetric, extrude up to next surface, extrude to intersect with all surfaces, extrude to intersect with the selected surface, extrude up to selected surface, edge, vertex, quilt, body, plane or axis, etc. Then side 2, second side option. So here it is side 2. Here side 2. Okay, let it be there. Same as all those options we will get. Let me write. Okay. Then as explained earlier, you can add a taper. Then body options. In this you can create a new body. Then it is important to name each and every feature, because when the model tree becomes very large, it will be easy for you to edit, or the other person who is using the model, it will be very easy for them. Then remove material option, then changing direction, add thickness, etc. Okay, let us start. So we will be using this particular exercise to learn all these whatever the things which we have explained just now. So first of all, you select the working directory. Go to select working directory and select a proper working directory. Then OK. Then go to new. Then part. You uncheck this option and here you can give the name. So model 01. So here naming, file name should not contain any blank spaces. If you want to add, you can give underscore symbol, then you can give the name, maximum 32 characters. Okay, so okay, let it be. Then OK. Then we have to select the units. So we will be using MMNS part solid ABS, MMNS part solid absolute. So millimeter, Newton second, then solid absolute coordinate system. Then OK. So next is we have to do some settings. So you can see this is in the trimetric orientation. So we have to go here, file, options, then model display. Go to model display and trimetric you can change to isometric. Then other thing, go to sketcher. You can change here, lock user defined dimensions. Here you can give a check mark. Then make the sketching plane parallel to the screen. This is optional. If you want, you can add it. Then OK. Then it will ask for saving the configuration file. You can give a yes. Then OK. So now you can see this is the isometric view. So whenever you make a model, it is important after making the model, if you press Ctrl D or if you go to the default orientation, it should look, it should the view should be oriented in such a way that it should replicate whatever you can see on the screen. So it should not be rotated 90 degree or upside down, something like that. It should be in this manner only, right? So for that you have to remember one thing. When we go for sketching plane, this sketching plane is going to rotate 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So make sure that when you make the model, so in that case the 84 will be on the y direction and 48 will be in the x direction on the screen, right? So let us start the exercise. Go to, so as I told you, you can go to sketch, then select the sketching plane, then sketch. This is the first option. Now you can see, so I will make a rectangle. So like this, then here I can give so as I told you, so this should be 48 and the other dimension should be 84. So let us do that. So what I am going to do is I am going to select this, press Ctrl key and select the other dimension, this one, then go to modify, then so first I am going to lock scale, regenerate I am going to off, then this 253, so the bottom dimension should be 48, enter. Then next what I will do, I will remove the lock scale, then I can give this 84, enter. So now you can see both the dimensions are aligned. Now what I will do, so this we will make this the object to the center. So this we can edit. So this is, so here this one we will give 84 by 2, that is 42, and this we will change to 24, then OK. Now you can see that the sketch is oriented as well as all the dimensions got updated. Now this is the sketch we are looking at. So you can see that this is a locked dimension. To check that, you can try to drag anywhere, it won't. Now we have completed. So to get the default orientation, you can press Ctrl D, right? Now we can go for extrude, and give the required thickness. So what this is 12 mm. So we can add 12 here. Okay, this is the first option. So normally in Creo people may not be doing this procedure. So let us learn the other one. So I am going to undo it, undo. So directly you can go to extrude, then go to placement here, then define. So this is define, then select the required plane, then sketch. Now we can draw the rectangle. Let us draw the rectangle. So if you want to get the symmetry option, let me show that also. Let us say you want to get the symmetry. So what you can do, you can go here center line and add a center line in this direction and add another center line in this direction. Okay, we have two center lines. Now you can go for a rectangle, and now you can see automatically you will get both sides symmetry. So that you no need to give the dimensions. Now you can click here. Sorry. Okay. So now if you drag any point, it will automatically okay. Now see, now automatically it will get the dimension will be changing symmetrically. Now what we will do, we will select this, press Ctrl and select both the dimension, then we will go for modify. You can see here modify. Then the first one, this is how much it is. So this is this dimension 48 and the other one is 84. So I'm going to off the regenerate, then lock scale, then this one 157.52, this will be 48, then enter. So this I am going to remove lock scale, and this we will change to 84, enter, then OK, then tick. So now you can see after when we exit from the sketch, automatically it is extruding. Okay. So now we have to give the value, that was 12, just now we have seen the dimension there. So that is 12. So let us add 12, then OK. So you can press Ctrl D to get the default orientation. So now you can see, check. So this is 48, this is 84. Now we also have the same orientation, same kind of orientation. Now we will see the drawing here. So it is given from the bottom face, it is 20 mm above. So one thing, you can make a sketch on the bottom face, then extrude 20 mm, or you can there are other options. In that case, you have to calculate how much the 12.8 you have to calculate and find out this distance. Then you can add the extruded value. But I do not prefer that kind of dimensioning. So how it is given in my drawing, in the same manner I want to specify. So for that, what I am going to do, I am going to create a plane 20 mm away from the bottom face. So you can go to plane option here, plane, then select the bottom face, then you can change the direction here, then give the value 20. Sorry, you can change the value. Actually, okay, we will give a negative value here, negative 20, so that we'll get the plane here. Okay. Again Ctrl D. Now we can make a sketch here and extrude up to this surface. Okay. So let us do that, then we will make the other one. So you can see here. So this is 12 and 24 from this corner, it is matching with this. So again I am going to extrude, placement, define, and select this particular plane, then sketch. So you have to remember, this is the corner which we were looking at. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to add a reference point here. So right click, references, and you can add, just you see when you bring the cursor here, you can see a point. So click on that vertex edge F5 extrude. Okay, then close it. So we have created a reference point there. So let us orient it. Okay. Now we will create another rectangle. So both the dimensions we know. This is 24. Have to see the drawing there, and this is 12. Then check whether it is moving or not. No, it is okay. Then you can give OK. Now next it is going towards the other side. Now if you go to the depth option here, depth option, you can see symmetric option is there. If I select symmetry, what is going to happen? It is getting extruded both the directions symmetrically, so we don't want that. So up to next surface, you can select this. You can change the direction here. So this is one option. And another thing is that let us say this is suitable for intersect with all surfaces. You can select this, that is also working. Okay. Then next is intersect with the extended surface. That is another case. If there is some surface is there which is okay, we can select this surface. It will work for some other surface as well. Okay, that we will see later. Then this one up to you can select this face wherever like that you can. So I prefer this one, extrude up to next surface. This is the proper one for this particular case. Then okay. So again press Ctrl D to get the default orientation. You can compare with the given model, given sketch as well as the, so it is both of it is matching. Now let us say you want to hide the plane. So you can go here, hide. Okay, so that plane is in the hidden mode. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. So each time when you create something, the profile here, you can rename it. So it is better. So this is let us say base, and this is, so let us say let us Control D. This is on the right corner, right corner. So pad, right pad, let us say this right pad, you can add here. It need not be a full name, but now allowing me to change that, right pad. So the advantage is that if I want to quickly edit this, I can go here so that I will find the proper feature very easily. Okay. So here also you can rename, if you want to rename the 20, plane 20, offset 20 or something. Okay, so like this you can rename it. Now let us make the next plane. So go to plane, select this face, then here we will add 30. For this you need to check the drawing there. So you can go and check the drawing, it is 30. So you can see here 30. Again this is 24 and 12. So let us make those sketches on the plane. Extrude. So now we don't know which, okay, so this opposite to this corner. So I can click oriented. We will add a reference here, close, rectangle, so this is 24 and this one is 12, then OK. Now you can see automatically it is selecting extrude. So here I don't want, I want this up to next surface. Then here you can see here body options. Oh, not here. Okay, I think you can change this body options. You can see here create new body option is coming. So by clicking on this particular body will be a separate one. Okay, I am not going to do that. Maybe we will use in some other case. So to next surface, then OK. Control D. So again we will edit all these things. So this is offset 30, offset 30. Then this is the left pad. So the advantage is that you can easily modify the model whenever it is required. So now we will hide this as well. Hide. Next we have to make a cut at the center. So this is the center option here, 24 and 18 and 30, 15. 24 and 18 rectangle. So let us do that. So go to again extrude, placement define. So select this face, sketch. So you can make this like this. So this let us do one thing. Let us add two more dimensions. So dimension from here to here and from here to here. So this is how it is available in the drawing. Similar way I have added the dimension 15 and 30. So 24, 18. So 30 side 24, 15 side 18. Now what we will do, we will select all these things, control and select 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will go for modify. Cancel. Let us select all these dimensions. Select, press control, select this, modify. So we have all the four. So how much I forgot. So this is 15, 18, 30, 24. 15, 18, 30, 24. So this is 15, this is 18, this is 24, this is 30. Where is 30? 30, 15, 18, 24, right? So OK. Now OK. So it is going upside. So I want to change the direction. So now you can see in Creo this 7 it is automatically removing the material. So it is OK for me. So I will change to through all. The advantage is that whenever I require a through hole, it automatically it will update in the model. If I give some value here, if I modify the model, there will be a if I increase the thickness, the object may not be a through profile. Okay, so then few more things. I can add a thickness value here, thickness value, and give say 2 mm. So like this I can add a thickness. So let us some blind value here. Okay, so like this, and I can add the offset. Like this I can add. Inside, outside, middle, etc. So all these options are available, but I don't want this, so I will remove this. Then so I will go here through all, then okay. So Control D. Now how to let me inspect, analysis, measure, summary. So let us measure this. This is 24, this is 18. So my dimensions are okay. So like this we can inspect. So what are the other things missing? So we have done this one, extrude, create datum plane at a distance, different options I have explained. Side 2 option I told you, or else I will explain. Add taper, body options I mentioned, removing material, changing direction, add thickness, all these things I explained. So let us say if I want to edit something, so this I will change again. So this is center pocket. Center pocket. Like this I can rename my model tree so that it will be easy for me to edit. So let us say I'm going to edit this edit definition here, edit definition. Now let us say I want 2 sides options. So go side 2. So in this side 2 I can give blind and give some value here. So this already I have explained in the first exercise. So let us so none. So adding taper, this also possible. So you can add taper here, and in this case I think it is having some issue with the surface. So what I will do, I will go here, so select this, then select this surface. Okay, then okay, choose okay, something is happened. Okay, let us edit definition. So let us reduce the value here, something like this, then okay. Oh, let us edit definition. Oh, I think the okay, let us remove the taper, then okay. So let us edit here, edit definition here, then options. So adding taper for this, so let us add taper. So like this I can add taper. Okay, undo, Control D. So that's all about the video, second video about extrude. We'll use some other exercise to complete the next one. So thanks for watching.